It's my favorite time of the week. Let's choose an activity out of my special jar. This one. Baked dog treats. Let's go. Rice flour. Oops, I made a mess. Grated carrot. Mushy banana. Dog safe peanut butter. It's my favorite, so I need to taste it. Delicious. Turn on the mixing machine. It's still wet, so I'm adding oats. Oops. Mix. Don't forget to clean the spoon. Perfect. Roll out the dough. So cute. Be careful. Wow. Let them cool. Oh golly, it's finally time. Munch munch. I'm an incredible chef boy 11/10.